Hello! This feels really weird because I've literally just finished a sign off for yesterday's vlog and now I'm saying hello to Vlogmas day 10. 10 days we've managed a video every single day. I'm so proud of myself. I didn't think that I was actually going to be able to do it, but lo and behold, we've done it. So I'm really excited to continue. I'm enjoying bringing these actually they're not that smaller because I mean I suppose they are, but I'm still doing the same amount of like stuff in a day. They're smaller for you. I don't know what I'm saying, just scrap that completely. So it's Wednesday, it's the 9th of December, but when you see this it'll be Vlogmas day 10, so it'll be the 10th of December. So I've just been to the gym this morning, had a nice leg workout, come home, refreshed myself, and now it's time to do some work. I've also dyed my hair yesterday, so now we are like full vibrancy again, and I love it. Like I haven't dyed it since, it's been about 2 months, and it was going like a weird candy floss like rose gold colour, and then I washed it again and it just turned like this weird colour and I didn't like it, so I was like, no, we're gonna have to put the bright colours back in, and I just feel so much more me now. The hair's a little bit weird at the moment because I've literally just like brushed it out of a ponytail after the gym and it's kind of like damp still. Lovely. Yeah, anyway, what's on the agenda today? Or what did I do last night? I didn't record it, but last night I actually spent a long time planning. There's gonna be a whole video after Christmas, so like after Christmas there's not too many vlogs, it's more just content for the rest of December. What did I do? There is a planning video where I will go through my planner and I will like tell you guys about goals that I set myself and how this kind of planner works. I've talked about this planner before last year. Did I do it last year? I must have done. I must have mentioned it in a studio vlog last year. But again, I'm going to leave a link in the description for this particular planner. You're standing on it right now, but I'll probably be working on it a little bit later this morning because I've just got some planning to do. But basically, what I've done is I have just planned out the whole of next year, tutorial wise, and I feel so much better because now I know exactly what I'm supposed to be working on and when, and I can literally go through and make all of the content calendars for next year, and then that's done, and then I know exactly what has to be out by what date, and that's going to really work for me because I personally work on I thrive on scheduling. I always have, and that's why this year has just gone a bit like downhill because I haven't planned and I haven't used my planner. So I spent last night figuring out what exactly I want to draw, and also based on, I made a whole list a couple of weeks ago based on feedback from current members about what they want to see, and I've jotted down like which ones were the most popular. I'll show you the list. So it's in my little Pusheen diary, but basically I just wrote down all of the tutorial, like the animal suggestions from existing students. I've like put numbers next to it and like a little tick system so I know exactly what was the most popular, and I've picked the most popular ones and then scheduled them throughout the year for next year, and then included a few of the ones that I wanted to draw, and I've kind of correlated it with like particular animal days that are happening throughout the year. So in January there is like a penguin awareness day, so I thought it would be really good if we could work on a penguin that month, so that's what I've got for January, and I've also got some other things. I don't want to tell you guys exactly what I've got for every single month because it's going to spoil the surprise, but I'm excited. There's some really good subjects, some subjects that people have been asking for absolutely ages, so I've just literally scheduled the whole tutorial side of stuff, and I want to go through and make content calendars for each of the months next year and just get very ahead of all of that. And I'm also going to go through and make posts and schedule posts and start scheduling emails to be sent out at least every week for both the tutorial side and the shop side. So I'm really excited. I love planning. I've also got this really cute little pen. I got this from, actually my friend got me one. It's not even focusing on that, it's focusing on my face. My friend got me one. It was a different one that I've got here. Is it here somewhere, or has James moved it? James may have moved it. But anyway, she got me one of these. I think it was a little cat one, or a bear or something. And then I went to the shop myself and then purchased another one because I really liked it and I didn't want to run out. So I got this cute one. If I can find the Etsy shop again, I'll link it below, because this, come on camera, this pen is so cute. And you can get little refills. So I've got a couple of these refills. And it's erasable. It's got like a little erasable thing on the end. So yeah, I've got a couple of these pens now. I will try and leave the Etsy shop in the description below for you, if you want to check it out. But they're really cute, and this is what I like to use when I'm writing in my planner, because then if I make a mistake or I need to move something around, I can then erase it. And I don't feel bad for having crossed stuff out in my nice neat planner. But yeah, so today we literally just have to do a load of drawing, and I want to do some planning, and that's pretty much it for today. I don't think there's anything that I even have to open either, so this one's going to just be like a drawing heavy vlog. So I'll show you guys some drawing. This battery in this camera needs charging before I start, so I might do that and then answer some emails. And then once that's charged a little bit, then I can film a little bit of the drawing. I need to finish the leopard, so that's the main thing that I need to do. So today and tomorrow I'll be working on the leopard, and hopefully we can get it finished and then I can get it uploaded for Monday. But yeah, let's get into the day. Currently 2:45. This portrait, this leopard, is just sapping all of the life out of me, and I don't know why. I'm just procrastinating it so bad. I haven't procrastinated this bad over something since I've done the orca last year, which still isn't even finished. I've got the mouth to go. This is how far I've got. So it's literally a very small section, like 3 fingers wide. Oh, sorry. I said sorry to the microphone. I'm sorry if that made a noise for you guys. But I can't. I really just don't want to do it. I really don't want to do it. I'm having another coffee, but it's just sapping the life out of me. Also, I did something weird with my hair and I regret it entirely. I'm gonna try and see if I can at least get the gums done, because the teeth are quite a nice texture. Shouldn't take too long, and the tongue is actually, majority of it is like dark, then just got like a little bit of pink at the front. So I'm gonna try and get the gums done, try and get that dark area in. I just don't want to do it. I just don't. Wish me luck.
You would move now, wouldn't you? And Mum's trying to take a photo of you.
Good morning. Oh, this is so wonky. Good morning. It is the 10th, so it's actually Vlogmas day 10. So I don't know what I actually managed to record yesterday. I don't think it was actually a lot. I know I recorded some drawing. Hello, Suki. I know I recorded some drawing. I didn't do any packaging yesterday because Simon did all of that. Thank you. So yeah, I just thought that I would come in and... Oh, I did some planning yesterday. So I've been talking about my planner a lot. Like, I really love this planner and I really feel bad about not having used the other planner throughout the 2020, because I feel like it probably would have helped me a lot, but there was just a lot going on. If you've watched, most of you have. I need to adjust this. There you go. No. Most of you have watched like the beginning of the year's vlogs and stuff, and kind of known what has gone on, and you know, the struggles and everything that's gone on this year. Cat, honestly. So yeah, I just didn't feel like using the planner, so I'm kind of trying to make like a rebirth using this 2021 planner. I'm really excited about it, and I think I mentioned in the other one of the other clips that I've literally made a plan for all of the tutorial content. I've now made a plan for oh, this is in the month section. I've now made a plan for like my email list and all of that kind of stuff. I've got key goals. I've got 4 key goals. I need to come up with another key goal that I want to achieve for 2021, but mainly my key goals are I mentioned a couple of months ago, like maybe back in September, I put out a newsletter or like a survey asking for your feedback on different types of fur, and ever since then I've been trying to build a really solid fur library. Well, my plan is to obviously start to really put that together in PDF form, and then launch that and the kind of standalone area. So I'm going to start working on the like the listing for accessing just the fur techniques and everything, which will eventually expand into like all different type of pet portrait aspects, but it's just going to be fur for now because I know fur is like a pain point for a lot of you. Sorry for this, I'm just trying to adjust the angle but subtly doing it and not really succeeding. So I know fur is like a pain point for a lot of people, so that's what I decided to focus on. So at the moment I'm on the I've written out these goals, so I know what the goals are, and then I just need to break down what I need to do in order to achieve the goals. So basically this book kind of asks you, is there a knowledge gap, a skills gap, money gap, confidence, what do I need to learn, buy or become in order to close these gaps. So basically, what do you need to do in order to reach these goals? So yeah, and then I've pretty much finished planning for 2021 in terms of like content and everything. Then I've got these, I really want to fill in these track your progress bits. Obviously I can't track my progress until like the end of or beginning of each month. That's really annoying, but I just want to get started in January now. Like, can December just hurry up and then it just be January? Because I just really want to start the new year and start to get everything sorted and just start working on some of these goals. But yeah, it's pretty much all I had for today. Like, and yesterday I didn't really do a lot. I just focused on doing this leopard. I'm going to, this is how far I've gotten here, by the way. So I've just got the tongue to do, which I'm going to do today. I'm going to maybe do this evening, or later on this morning, depending on how much quiet I get from the child, which is roaming around out there. So depending on everything, I need to finish that. I need to edit this vlog, ready to go up today, so that's what I'm going to do now. I suppose I will see you guys. You've actually got a tutorial tomorrow of stripes in fur, or stripy fur, working on a little tiger thing. I haven't got anything planned for Saturday. Absolutely nothing planned for Saturday, and then there's a vlog on Sunday. So God knows what I'm going to do for Saturday's video. I might even end up doing a live stream yet. I don't know. Maybe in Saturday evening I might do a little bit of a live stream. We'll see. But I have downloaded Cyberpunk 2077 today. It's downloading at the moment, so I know what I'm going to be playing for a majority of this evening, and I'm really excited. Simon really wants to continue playing a game that he's been playing on the computer as well, so perfect. Anyway, I'm going to sign off because my camera is going red at me, so I'll see you on Sunday. Bye.